Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I wanted to give you a demo on some items that I purchased so that in case you're interested, you can go purchase them. I think it's a good buy, and I think it could help you out in the kitchen. Okay? Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna be talking about knives and cutting boards. Okay, all right, so now that you got that, you can give it a thumbs up, you can share the video, you can subscribe. Please do all of that. Why not? Okay, and if you haven't subscribed yet, you don't want to miss the things that I come up with, right? I'm trying to save your money. I'm trying to help you out. I'm trying to teach you some food ideas, and I'm also gonna feed your soul with some food for thought with the word of the day and more. All right, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you is some knives. This is a 8-inch and a 10-inch knife, and it says it's Cook's Knives, stain free, European steel, non-slip handle, and it's for food service. I got these from Sam's, and I paid $15 for the two. Now this is a good deal, right? So my rule is, when you bring something into the house, you need to take something out of the house. So now I need to get rid of two of my knives because I can't have a bunch of stuff in here all at once. So I'll have to figure out which two I'm going to eliminate. But I just wanted to show you this. Okay, this is a good deal for $15 and something. Okay, so let's open it up. If I can. The packaging is hard to cut. Okay, this is the 8-inch. It's a nice grip on it. The handle is nice and smooth. You can see that that won't slip on you. Okay, and the name on that they have on it, it says Members Mark NSF. NSF means it's good to use in a restaurant or food service. Okay, let me show that to you right there. Okay, and this is the 10-inch. Okay, pretty long, pretty big. You can really cut something that's kind of long with the 10-inch. Alright, same thing on it. Food service, NSF. Okay, so if you want to get restaurant quality items, and you can find it in a store like BJ's or Sam's, look for NSF, because NSF is good quality. Okay, so for $15, that would be a good present, like a Christmas present. You know, you can get them now and save them for Christmas if you can. Okay, or a birthday gift for someone who really cooks a lot. They would appreciate these. Okay, all right, so that's the knives, and like I said, I gotta figure out which two are gonna go out if I'm gonna keep that. So I think I'm gonna get rid of this one. Okay, it's kind of dull. It doesn't hold a good edge when I sharpen it. So this one is going to go out. That's one. And I'll replace this 8-inch there with that one. And let's see. I think I would like to say goodbye to this one. Okay? Okay. So now I have my 2 new knives here up on the wall. I'll show you that in a minute. Okay, now let's switch gears. This is my old cutting board. I got this from Walmart. I think it came with this one. And I believe, I'm not sure, I can't remember. It might have came with this one too. If not, maybe separately. But at any rate, this is the problem I have with it. It looks pretty good on this side. But on this side, you can see where, to me, these stains won't come out when you cut into it. You can see the knife marks, which means that you'll never get down in those grooves because you can't get down in those grooves. So I was very dissatisfied with this. This is a board that I dropped it, and you can see it chipped off at the edge here. So this is going to go to the trash. Remember, you bring something in, you got to send something out. Okay? Okay, that's going out. So this one here, it says blessed. You like that? Isn't that pretty? It's glass. And I got this from Job Lot. Okay? And it was $5.50. What I like about this is it's glass, so I don't have to worry about when I cut into it that it's going to get into any grooves, because there's going to be no grooves because it's not plastic, it's glass. Okay? And so I'm going to add this to my collection, and I'm going to throw this one out. Okay? Alright. So far, you can see that we're up, let's see, $15.99 for the, so let's say $16 for the knives, and $5.50 for that. We're going to call this $6. So, $16, $21 so far, right? Good deal. We haven't broken the bank yet. Okay. Now, let me show you this. Just wipe that up from where I cut the knife. Okay, you always see me cut on this surface. And this is floor tile or counter tile. So you will see this on the wall of a kitchen, on the floor of a kitchen, or on the countertop of a kitchen. Okay? So when you see me cutting here, I'm not actually cutting on the counter. I'm cutting on this. Okay? See? Okay. Now I buy these at Home Depot, and I think it's around maybe $5 or $6. I want to say maybe $6 for each tile. And so I use these in a lot of places. I use it as a cutting board. I use it over this counter here to protect the counter. So now anytime I want to cut or put something hot on, I can put it right on here, because this can withhold heat. Okay, because it's made for a counter. Okay, also these here are some other ones that you can put on your counter. Okay? And I believe I got these at maybe at Christmas tree shop, but they also sell these at Home Depot as well. So you can see for well under, I think these were maybe 2 for, I think $15. I'm not sure, I can't remember. So we got let's do the math. We got 15 on the knives, 15 on this, that's 30. 6 on this, that's 36, and about $5 or $6 on this. And obviously I got 2 of them. One the air fryer is sitting on. Okay, so we're going to add another $12 to that. So I don't know, under $55 I got all of this. Okay, but you don't have to get it all together. You can do baby steps. So let's say you're passing by Home Depot, you can get you a couple of these. Not only do I put this on top of the counter in the kitchen, I put these on the top of my, I got a hutch. I have a cabinet that I have my TV in the living room sitting on. I put these on top of there because they come in all different colors. And so now you can kind of change the look of the furniture by adding these. I put these on my coffee table. So you can see they're very versatile and useful, okay? They're easy to clean because you just use soap and water and you clean them. You don't have to worry about when you cut down with a knife that you're going to get grooves. There's never no grooves or none of that stuff, okay? How about that, huh? Okay, so let me talk to you. Okay, so those are some helpful tips. I know Mother's Day is coming up this Sunday. And even if you missed this video for Mother's Day, because I don't know when it will air, you can still get it as an extra gift for your mom, or a birthday present, or I love you present. You know, a lot of people have been through a lot of stuff in the last couple of months due to the infection that's nationwide. Something like that would just make them smile. They'll forget all about the sickness that's going on and stress and all of that behind there, and they're just gonna run into the kitchen and get cooking with some of this stuff, right? Okay, so remember the knives I got at the Sam's Club, and yes, you do have to be a member of Sam's Club in order to shop there. But the good part about it is if you decide to apply for a credit card, then they give you $45 that day to shop, which is the same cost of the membership. Okay, now you don't have to put the money on the card. You can pay cash and still get that $45. Okay, that's a little hit from Grandma Ray. Okay, and the countertops, the squares that I showed you that's on top of my counter, I got that from Home Depot. You just go in the floor and tile section and you can find those. They're anywhere from $6 or less. Okay, and this beautiful cutting board is from Job Lot, and that was $5.50. Okay. Okay, so those are some of the things that I shopped for recently with my donation money. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day is, if you buy something new, let's say you buy a pair of pants, then another pair of pants need to go out, or you buy some new socks. Some old, go through your socks and send the old socks out. Or let's say you bought another set of dishes, then the old dishes need to go out, because if you don't do that, then all you have is a bunch of stuff piled up, old and new. And the reason why you bought new is because you want to enjoy the new, right? So we don't need to continuously add to clutter. We need to eliminate clutter. So if you buy something, send something out. Okay, that's the word of the day. If you buy something, send something out. Okay, all right, check out my links below if you want to support this channel in any way. You can see what I do with some of the donation money, and I'd like to show you that so that you'll know where your money is going. And subscribe if this is your first time on my channel, and please share this video, because a lot of people need to know how not to continuously buy these cutting boards that end up with the grooves in there, and you can't get them fully clean, and to how to buy something that's going to last for a long time, because a glass cutting board, you don't have to worry about that. As long as you wash it, you're good. You don't have to worry about the food getting down in the grooves or nothing like that, or the counter towels. Okay? Alright, so until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.